Good morning class. Today we will discuss about your chapter number 1, plant reproduction, and the topic is seed dispersion. See, in the previous lectures we have discussed that what are seeds and how do plants grow with the help of seeds. Now in this lecture we will discuss about what is seed dispersal and why it is important. See, you must have seen that sometimes on a land a plant has grown out of nowhere. Okay, have you ever wondered why does it happen? See, if the mother plant is somewhere else and a plant is growing on a land that is where the mother plant is nowhere to be found. So how does that seed travel from there to there? See, plants cannot move by themselves. So there must be some agent involved in it, right? But first, what is seed dispersal basically? See, we have learned that a plant produces many seeds, right? There are many seeds produced by plant. Suppose if the seeds fall out at the same place, will they be able to grow? No, they will not be able to grow because they need proper air, water and sunlight. And if there are many seeds present at the same place, there will not be enough space for the seeds to grow into plant, right? Because space is required and also there will be deficiency of air, water and minerals, right? Because there will be many plants to share that air, water and sunlight, right? So there is a need for the scattering of leaves at far away places so that plant can get proper air, water and nutrients. So this scattering of seed is called seed dispersal. Basically, scattering of leaf at far away places is called seed dispersal. Now, why is it important? See, I have told you if the seeds started growing at the same place, there will not be enough space and not enough air, water and nutrients. So that's why seeds scattering is very important. Seed dispersal is very important. Okay. So now, have you ever wondered how this scattering is possible? How does it occur or what are the agents involved in this? See, I have told you that plants cannot move by themselves. So there must be some agents required for the seed dispersal, right? So now we will discuss the agents required for seed dispersals or how this seed dispersal occurs. See, seed dispersal occur by seed dispersal occur by wind, animals, water and explosion. Now we will discuss that how seed dispersal occur with the help of the wind. Okay, this happen in the plants which have very light seeds. See, some seeds can be blown by the wind. Okay, for example, dandelion and cotton seeds. See, the seeds of cotton and dandelion are very light. They can be blown away by wind. See, the dandelion seeds are like this. They are very light and they have hair-like structures on them which act as parachute. See, these are the seeds of the dandelion and these are the hair-like structures which act as parachute, and when there are heavy winds or when the wind is blown, they get carried away to different places or far away places, and afterwards these seeds grow into new plants. For example, cotton seeds are very light and they are also blown by the wind. Right. Next is dispersal by water. How the dispersal occur by water? See, some fruits have seeds which are carried away with the help of water. For example, lotus seeds and coconut also. See, your coconut has this fibrous structure, fibrous coat around it, which helps in floating on the water. See, with that fibrous coat, coconut floats on the water and it is taken to far away places, and when it reaches to the shore or when it gets the necessary air, water and sunlight, basically the proper conditions to germinate, that plant, that coconut plant or coconut seed germinate and grow into a new plant. And also your lotus plant, right? See, lotus has spongy fruit, right? The fruit of the lotus is very light and has seeds in it like this. See, this is the fruit of lotus and these are seeds. See, these are the seeds. See, the fruit floats on the water and it is taken far away from the mother plant, and then when it gets proper water and air and proper sunlight for the seed to germinate, the seed grow into a new plant. Okay. Next is dispersal by animals. See, you have seen that animals eat fruits, right? That is the basic need, that animals also get their food from plants, right? So sometimes when animals eat the fruit, they throw the seeds, right? They eat that fruit and they throw the seeds to different places, and from that seed plant grows out. For example, this is tomato, right? If a animal eat this tomato, right? See, these are the seeds of tomato. See, these are the seeds of tomato. When animals eat these fruit or these vegetables or fruits which contain seeds, they throw these seeds at different places, and that's how these seeds reach at different places and seed dispersal happen and plants grow into new plant basically. Sometimes the seed is stuck to the fur of the animals, with which the seed is taken to far away places from the mother plant, and when the seed get proper conditions for it to germinate, it grows into a new plant. Next is dispersal by explosion. See, it happens in plants like ladyfinger. See, this is ladyfinger, right? And these are the seeds of ladyfinger. See, these are the seeds of ladyfinger. Okay, this whole ladyfinger burst open and seeds are forced to scatter at different places. This also happens in pea plant, chili plant also, right? So dispersal by explosion happens because of the forced scattering of the seeds. So in this lecture we have discussed seed dispersal, why is it important and how does it occur. It occurs with the help of the wind, with the help of water, with the help of animals, and by explosion. Okay, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening.